folks, Chris here, and we are going to see if it's worth our time scrapping a television. I'm going to put several of these videos together on different TVs I find because there are so many variables, like size of TV, the age of the TV, some have more copper, less, there's a lot of variables. So I'm going to put a lot of these together, but in this case we're going to work on a 1991 Samsung little 13-inch. If you haven't seen my videos before, I don't show you how to scrap something. I just try to get you in the ballpark of what something is worth. Just taking to your scrapyard as is to spending a few minutes tearing it apart. So I'm going to get you a baseline and we're going to get started. Folks, these videos are primarily for me. I'm just putting them out there for you to fill in the blanks and see what's worth your time. I've got a ton of these TV videos to make because I pick them up all the time and they're simple to tear apart. So I hope you take something out of this. If not, sorry. Again, it's for me. So I'm going to end this with a quick disclaimer like I always do. And until next time, which will be really soon, I'll see you later.
I'm going to keep this short and keep you YouTuber police off my back with a few disclaimers. Number one, scrap value is always the lowest price for an item, just above garbage. So if you bring something home that works or has working parts, consider selling it on Craigslist, eBay. That's actually how I make a lot of money. Number two, scrap prices change with the stock market. Good rule of thumb, like I stated, but not fact. When oil prices are high, usually scrap prices go up, and then vice versa. For the purpose of this video, I just stated the prices from the last trip I made, so they're not going to be your prices. So I'm just using these as comparisons for the video. Number three, come on, use common sense. We're working with metals. They're sharp. They have sharp edges. Wear gloves, protective eye gear. Do what you need to do to keep yourself from going to the hospital and cutting to any profit you might make.